Hey everyone, if you've ever tried to manually align text to look like a table in Wix, you know it's a nightmare for mobile responsiveness. In 2026, Wix has a dedicated table element that makes organizing data, like price lists or schedules, incredibly simple. Today, I'm showing you the quickest way to add and customize a table. Let's jump into the editor. Step 1. Add the table element. First, open your Wix editor. Click the plus Add Elements button on the left sidebar. Go to the Lists and Grids category, scroll down until you see Table, and simply drag your preferred style onto your page. This creates a live, editable grid instantly. Step 2. Manage your data. Now, let's put your information in. Click on the table and select the Manage Table button that appears. This opens a spreadsheet-style interface. You can click any cell to type, right-click to add rows or columns, and even drag them to reorder. Pro tip, if you have your data in Excel or Google Sheets, you can use the Import button here to upload a CSV and save yourself the typing. Step 3. Design and Style. To make the table match your brand, click the Design paintbrush icon. Here, you can customize the header color, the alternating row colors, which helps with readability, and the border thickness. You can also adjust the text alignment for specific columns, for example, centering your price column while keeping description left-aligned. Step 4. Adjust column widths. Sometimes the default width doesn't fit your text. Hover your mouse over the vertical lines between columns in the editor. Simply click and drag to resize them. Wix will automatically adjust the rest of the table to stay within your page margins. And that's it, a professional, clean table in just a few clicks. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.